Welcome to all of you on my channel, Global Studies Aspirants. And today we're gonna discuss about literary and cultural theory. In this regard, friends, that is the first topic or part that is called structuralism. And friends, this video lecture is very important for all of you. If you are preparing for NET examination or TGT or PGT examination. Okay, so let's get started. The very first slide in front of you. Here the let's understand the meaning and objective of what is the structuralism. Actually, you must be thinking that what is the structuralism is all about. Actually, structuralism is a very unique term, or you can call is came in existence in 20th century, or you must have heard about a new term that is called new criticism started in modern age. It is also a part of new criticism. In this regard, we analyze the text, we analysis the text, study of text, fine. And apart from this, friends, here we study of relation between words, formation of new words, fine. And apart from that which kind of voice, shading, character, and combination of words is going to study in this structuralism. So all this kind of study and all this kind of analysis is called structuralism. Structuralism is also called new criticism. New criticism is a kind of new criticism because it has been invented in modern age 20th century. That's why it is very all it is also known as a part of new criticism, fine. And here in this regard, friends, some important works has been mentioned. I already mentioned these some important works as per your examination point of view. The first one, William Abson's Seven Type of Ambiguity, that is come in 1930. Okay, and the second one, that is I.A. Richards' Practical Criticism, that is came in 1929, was written in 1929. And then third, Clint Brooks, The Well wrote or 1947 here, find. And then in the last, Wimsatt and Birdsley, The Intentional Fallacy, that is came in 1954. So these are all the some important works as per the structuralism. Okay, you can go through, or you can take a screenshot here. Now let's talk about very most phenomenal linguistic theorist, that is Ferdinand de Saussure. Here on the next slide, friends, the Ferdinand de Saussure is a very famous linguistic. Okay, and let's go through Ferdinand de Saussure. Here in 1959, friends, he published a book in linguistic over the linguistic theory, that is called as A Course in General Linguistics. In basically it was written in 1915, fine. But later it was translated in English in 1959, fine. And here the two main component, or you can call the two term, basically he introduced, that is the first one, lange and the ferrole. What about lange? Lange is you can call in simple language, friends, it is a set of rules, fine. It is a set of rules, regulation, or norms through which we study the language. We understand the grammar, which kind of language, grammar, and vocabulary has been used in any kind of literature or text, or any other genre, that is called as language. And the parole, what about parole? Okay, parole means, friends, that is when we use that particular language in our own sentence, on our words, on our subject, sorry, on our language, a free language, fine, a common language, that is called as parole, fine. And these are some facilities, features of these, that is it is arbitrariness, means it has unique features and unique connection with in each other, because they cannot they cannot uh, be altered, or they cannot be modified each other. Okay, that is called arbitrariness. It is specific kind of features, and they have to use in a system. Every words or every language or text has a unique relation in each other. Okay, in system they have a unique relation, that's why they can form a new meaning or new words or text. And in this regard, they have the relationality in each other, they have the relationality together. Fine. For example, Ferdinand de Saussure has given a specific example here, a cat. You can see a cat is a sign. Fine. But how can you say that this is a cat because it has a four legs? No, because after a very for a long time we have been repeated using the same name, that is called cat, because cat is cat. It doesn't mean it has a four legs and a long tail. That's also called that's why it is known as cat. Such is nothing, because after a long time, long generation, many generations have been using the same name. That's why after repeating the most of the time the same name, that is known as cat. And that is the sign and the signifier bound. Here cat is a sound, phonetic, you can call sound. Cat is a sound or phonetic, or you can call component or word. Fine. Because here sign you can understand by cat, here you can put the cat as a sign. And signifier, behind signifier is the sound, the word which are speaking in words. Fine. That is called phonetic sound component or word, like cat. Fine. And the signified signified, what is signified? Signified is that, friends, the concept behind the word, because the whole procedure, the whole concept behind that word. Because the cat is a unique word. Cat is not bad, cat is not mad, because we have the four legs. Many times we have spoken the same name cat to this particular object or particular thing, that is known as cat. So that's why it is called as cat, not bat or not mat. So that's why the particular concept is used behind this, all this procedure, that is called as signified. So basically these are these are the linguistic theory represented by Ferdinand de Saussure, a well-known linguistic theorist. Okay, I hope you must be getting, friends, the whole entire session which I try to represent it in front of all of you. And if you really like this video, please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And if you and really like this video, please share this video to all of your friends. Fine. And for now, till then, bye. I'll meet you again with the next video. Okay, till then, bye, and thank you for watching this video. Okay, take care and goodbye.